I was sent this 2-pack of chafing dishes for my review. You can also get a 4-pack, and I love how easy it is to assemble, and when you're not using them, everything just stacks inside each other, so then you can tuck them away really nice and easy. So this is what it looks like put together, and then I'm actually going to show you how to put it together. So love that you've got this great little handle right here. I literally just opened these, so you might see some plastic still stuck on it. That's definitely one of the things I loved, is each of these pans was like completely individually wrapped, so they didn't come with any scratches, which is fantastic. So you've got this little handle here so you can lift this up, and then on the actual, let me put this on the side and let me just show you real quick. So you've got 2 pans. So if you've never used one of these, you might be wondering why. So here is your base, and this is obviously, it comes with the 2 canisters. And they're still wrapped. See, as you can see, they all came nice and wrapped. So these you can use like the little alcohol cubes, or you can use the gel in here. You put it in there, you light it, and it gets nice and warm. So the bottom pan here, show you, you're actually going to fill up with some hot water, right? So you have that hot water, and then the flames underneath is what's going to then kind of bubble this and keep the food nice and warm. So these are 9 quarts, and then this sits on top, and then you have your food. And of course, you know, while you're waiting, you put the cover on, but let's say it's like, you know, you're ready to serve people. It is, I'm sure we've all been there where you're holding that plate, you're trying to lift the lid off so that you can serve yourself. Well, this has these little hooks here on the side, so then the lid sits in, sorry, I'm at an awkward angle, can't see it. Let me see, there you go. So then the lid sits like this. So when you're ready, if everyone's in line ready to serve themselves, you can do this. And then when the last person's gone, you can just go ahead and put the lid right on top, which is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that, and then I'm gonna show you actually how it puts together. But one of the things I really love is because it is a 2-pack, check this out. So this one you have the nice long pan, and then this one you have 2 different serving dishes. So same concept, you're gonna be putting the water on the bottom, but then I love that you have this. So like maybe this long one is like full of your meat, and then on these ones you have like a thing of rice and a thing of vegetables, or whatever it is that you're doing. I just think it's neat that then you can be serving different options instead of just one really long one, which is cool. So let me show you, hopefully without making too much noise. So easy to put together. So, and as you can see, it just folds up, and then everything just fits inside each other. So what you do is, these are the legs, and these pop out, and then this is what's going to hold it together, and then this is where you put your little fire dishes. They just have these little hooks on them. So then this is going to, you literally on the, whoops, wrong side, let's go up here. So literally it hooks into here. Give me 1 second. So that hooks on here, and then this side, all you do is pull, like I'm pushing, and then it just slides right in, just like that. And then we flip it over, ta-da, and then this sits right inside here, and you're good to go. You've got these little handles here on the side, so I mean, obviously when it's full of food, it's gonna be pretty heavy, but you know, for you to bring it, put it down, and then makes it super nice and easy. They look really great. We've got these lids. Dinner's ready.